G'day, here's a small parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. White, just seeing there's a light reflecting off the water. Okay, I've just gone in a bit so you get a better look at each piece. These are still held in the opalised clay that you find this material in. You can see even little veins have been filled up with opal. If we just keep tumbling this, we'd end up with no opal, so we have to stop, and this is what you end up with. Here's a nice little black piece. Piece might grind down and give you a little stone. And you can see there's other pieces in the back. And sometimes these can be cut open and you find other material hidden inside, but there's no guarantee, of course, on that. Another little tiny knobby there. Little seams. This piece has got a natural hole bubble in it from where it's been formed. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.